Ready for a quick challenge that could reset your finances in just 7 days? Here's the 1 week no spend challenge. For the next 7 days, no takeout, no shopping, no extras. Eat what's in your fridge, brew your own coffee, use what you already have. Entertainment? Borrow a book, watch a free movie, go for a walk. Track every dollar you didn't spend. You'll be shocked how much stays in your pocket. Think of it as a detox for your wallet and a win for your future. Challenge yourself, share your results, and remember, your money deserves a mission. Remember, start budgeting smart today, protect your credit, and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.